At point guard number 88, Kyle Ochavo.
Yes. Battle for the ball. Bural.
Mainly, they're continuing with the offense, no?
Watch out, no? Especially now, being featured multiple pump fakes. Rutiza slides in, lays it all over him. Again, it's Ochavo.
Great hustle there by Ochavo.
Gerson, 6.5 to go. Whether it's successful,
sulit lang sa sistema niya sa kung ano mga yung gusto niya. Maganda yung performance niya, keep it up intensity and the IQ level mataas.
Coach Gerson na-impress sa performance ni Kyle Ochavo at bilib na bilib sa basketball IQ at Kyle Ochavo lock in sa kabantayan niya. Parang veterano na.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. At point guard number 88, Kyle Ochavo.
the Final Four last season, Coach F. Siya ngayon ang bubukol. Mintes. Battle for the ball. Orgo tried to save it. Ochavo with the recovery. Roristo stretches, takes that three off the mark. Orgo corrals it para dito sa Altas and gets fouled by Ochavo. The show there by Bural. Ochavo almost losing it. Ball will stay on the side of the Generals, but then
Gandang matchup doon, no? Between Orgo and itong si Ochavo. Parang dalawang bantamweight boxers.
right. Oh my
Pero
goodness!
ito, bawat ko po na, nasa loob na.
JP, this time it's a miss. Ochavo on the left side. Luciano steps in, knocks down a three. Let's talk about yung sticking to the system. And here, you see that shot coming from Luciano.
Ang tinatakbo lang nila mainly is they're continuing with the offense, no? Of that zoom action. Tingnan na, yun.
Sevilla. Entry pass broken up there by the Generals. Ochavo pulls back. Press na naman para dito kay Oftana. Olsen Racela. As Oftana and the rest of the Generals. That's Jiangnan. Hot pot, hot shot three. Hot pot ba? Jiangnan na. 30.
Play point, he could play inside because of his length.
Si Bural naman can play the 3 and 4 spots. Very long, very athletic.
Yeah. He can guard most.
So medyo nagkatalo the offensive end, no? But something to watch out, no? Especially now they have a new head coach. Being featured more in the offense. Luciano, multiple pump fakes, which leads to a foul. Pizarro trying to seal off his defender, turnover. Rutiza slides in, lays it up and in. There. 41-35. Again, if it's just being hounded here. Gerson asking for a closely guarded violation. Cruz unable to convert. Ochavo aatake. At nakabingwit ng foul doon. Ochavo still scoreless. That will change via that trade.
Pero slightly different starting lineups para dito sa second half for both teams.
Si Bural, libre sa bandang kaliwa yung Go Cruz. And they've been struggling from the field here in the third, talking about the Perpetual.
Shaky passing being displayed by Perpetual.
Ortiza drives baseline. Ochavo tried to save it. Luciano, short stab. Gets the friendly bounce. 48-35.
Go to the Altas after that successful challenge.
Sorry, Coach F. Just to point out, no, it's important to note that each team has one coach's challenge. Whether it's successful or not, hindi ka mawawala ng timeout. Pero isang challenge. 6.5 to go. Oh, what a play. Orgo unable to convert though. Chavo. Benitez, rebound though. Finds himself open. Chavo collecting his 4th rebound. 3 seconds. Gelsano towering all over him. Again, it's Ochavo. Almost giving them another possession.
Oh, great hustle there by Ochavo. Kaya lang, he threw the ball away.
Smallest guy.
Pero nabanggit nga natin, no, to si Ochavo, outplaying Sean Orgo so far. Kahit 2 points lang si Ochavo, he's doing a lot of things, like with 3 assists and 5 rebounds. Or the other way around, sorry.
And again, forcing another miscue. Point lead. Thompson, way off.
Para dito sa chances ng Altas dito sa game natin.
That's gonna be it for our second game. And EAC making a statement, winning this one by double digits.
Naka siyang conversions na very critical for their team. And sharing the best player of the game.
Paano nyo ma-adjust yung para sa team na maglalagay nyo yung same level of intensity all throughout this preseason?
Ano lang, susunod lang sa sistema nito sa kung ano mga yung gusto niya, susundin lang namin para siyempre manalo.
Coach, what can you say po sa laro ni Kyle stepping up to date po despite na halos lahat ng guards niyo contributing naman sa team?
Yun guys, sabi kanila ni Kyle, actually it starts in practice. Aggressiveness starts in practice. So sa amin kasi I always tell them that it's always a healthy competition. So kailangan mag-perform ka, you're doing your best in order to make your teammates much better also. So yun lang, so with regards to the performance of yun, maganda naman siya facilitator. And he's only on his second year, so it's a long way to go. That's why yun nga, sinabi ko sa kanya before we tell him veteran guards is for him to learn also. So mas maganda yun for our team. Nag-encourage ka and then eventually siya naman kita ang guard dito. So maganda yung performance niya, keep it up intensity and IQ level mataas. So yun lang.
Actually coach, yung Big Time Plays, inano ko nag-comment ako dun sa kanya.
Big Time Plays, shoutout pala sa YouTube channel ng Big Time Plays. Thank you so much.
Amazing! Bawal malate! Bawal malate!
Bawal malate,
Mga eksena.
Pogi si subscribe nyo sa Big Time Plays, di ba? Pang Mr. Pogi yan dati yan.
Bro, talagang napakataas ng mga views na ngayon ni Big Time Plays. Kaya congratulations sa'yo, bro.
Si Big Time Plays, supportahan niya yan. Magaling din mag-video, tsaka kaibigan natin yan.
Yo, shoutout nga pala sa
Big Time Plays ng Malabon.
For more basketball news and updates, just click the notification bell. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, please subscribe and support my channel, guys. See you on the next video. Let's go!